Yo guys, Joey here of Joe Collectibles. Guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo. This is a 1995 McDonald's Happy Meal. So basically 30 years old na to. And I have it. So this is Donald Duck. And I have Oliver and Company. Meron din akong Sleeping Beauty. This one is the Aristocats. So ito yung mga Happy Meal, Canadian McDonald's Happy Meal back in 1995. So meron tayong Winnie the Pooh. Maganda yung mga Happy Meal nila noon compare ngayon, no? Si Snow White. Pero mukhang Dracula si Snow White. Then meron din tayong Pocahontas. And I think this is Aladdin. Si Aladdin. Ito yung favorite ko sa lahat, si Woody. Kompleto siya, meron siyang hat. Lion King. Si Oliver and Company. Last one si Bambi. So guys, from 1995 yung condition niya, napakaganda, no? So that's all guys, see you next time.